What's up, guys? Here with another video. Today we will be continuing Minecraft. Well, not really continuing. We will be starting a new world though. So let's get right into it. Don't want to waste any time. Excuse me. All right, let's do this. I am excited. All right, so I've been playing a lot of Minecraft lately, and I've learned a few things. I watched some PewDiePie. He taught me some stuff. So I'm gonna chop down this wood real fast, and then I'm gonna create a crafting bench as soon as I get to. All right. Ah, I forgot controls. Right. Then I want to find a better place to sit down house. Go, 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 go. Alright. It's over here. Oh, big open spot right over here. Perfect. Alright. Oh, look, bees. Right here, I'm thinking. Oh, pow. And sorry guys. I'm gonna create a pickaxe so I can chop down the stuff. Alright. So I like to get 16. Easy number. And then I'm able to make a furnace. And, of course, a full set of tools. Go. So get that out of here. Oh. Alrighty. I hate when babies come onto my lawn. Did I just see coal? Yep, sure did. Oh, and I didn't. Maybe it's 17 that I need to get? I don't know. Yeah, it's probably 17. Alright, let me get up here real fast. So, of course, this is another one of those 90-minute worlds. So it gives me about, like 5 videos, I'm pretty sure. Not too much, except it's just kind of hard. Alright, so, perfect. Good, alright. Back over here. Oh wait, I should probably get... Oh, I saw sheepy. I'm coming, sheepy. Eh, 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 eh. 4. Ah. Why am I not going forward? I saw sheepy up here. I got them. Coal is good to have. Except I hate having to grab it because it takes so long to actually grab it. Oops. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go back over here. Jump! Ow. Where's my stuff? Oh, there it is. Over there. I come. Nailed it. Pow. Some of that in there. Nice. No, it's a waste of coal, but I need it, so. Yeah, you guys probably noticed that I'm actually going a lot faster than I was in the other videos. Well, not in the game, but it's like I'm moving. I know what I'm doing better now, so. I'm still jumping. Stop jumping. Delicious. Keep making that good stuff, alright? Doing good. Alright, let's see. Don't think I need anything. I'll just build a chest just in case. Alright. So I saw a mine up there earlier. So we're gonna go check it out. Look, horsey. Do 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 do. Look, llama. Alright. So this is mine. Actually, I need settings. Ah, it stinks. I can't put on show coordinates. Fine. Yeah. So we're not gonna do much. It's so dead. All right. We're not going to do much this episode. You know, gather some resources. I think our main goal is to find iron in the 7 minutes that we have left of this video. In case you guys haven't realized, all my videos are right around 15 minutes. So, where are all the mines? Full set of iron tools is all I want. Do 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 do. And I need to go eat. Go, 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 Joseph. You know what they say. Where my stuff? Oh, it's over there again. I just mentioned on me. Come here, B. I beat you up. I beat you up. Pow. Come here. Fight me. You want to scare me? Did you scare me? Get over here. Why are you so fast, huh? I spanked you. Oi! Oi! That's the first time I've never actually taken damage from a bee. I'm so jumping. Ah, I'm starving. Not for long. Alright, perfect. Alright. So I don't want to jump that drink. Oh, sheepies. Pow. Pow. Then did I see one over there? No. Alright. Pretty good. Sheep. Alright. Then, perfect timing too. Alright. I need like more wood, I think. No, I have perfect timing wood. Alright. Let's go. My chickens. Get over here. You think you can run away? No. Gotta go. Why am I not running? Go, 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 juice, if you know what to say. I don't want to die today. For this Minecraft series, I do not want to die one bit. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 Joseph, you know what to say. Go, 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 Joseph. Tomorrow, we make bed yellow. It'll be the first thing we do. I'm starting to remember a lot of, like, how to do a lot of stuff too, so. And of course, nice. Yay, yellow bed. Okay. Well, we're not really finding mine, which kind of stinks. I don't want to have to use shovel yet. Is that a mine over there? Everybody cross your fingers. 'Tis mine. Alright, what do we have in here? Oh, maybe I should make a torch. I have no clue. It's okay. Hello? Oh, iron! Yes! Alright. No monsters yet, so we're good. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Starting off with 4, not too bad. How many more do we need? 4, I think, right? No, I think I need 9, don't I? Yeah, I need 9. Iron. Stop. And this way I'm not gonna be able to find. Ooh! Should I trap him? Let's do it. And it was terrible. Oh, I got it. So. Ha! Ooh, it didn't work. Ah! How dare you chase him? Yeah, I saw that. You got all scared. Didn't want me to hit you. No. Alright. Did I come from this way? Does anybody remember? I love raw food. Alright. Let's get out of here. Nope. Alright. I had no idea where I came from, but I would like to get out of this cave before this video ends. There you go. Alright, so we have 4 iron. I have to make a pickaxe and a shovel. It's alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go. I'm pretty sure we came from that way, right? Yep, there's your stuff. Alright. I can just get there nice fast. No. Okay, perfect. Alright, so take some chicken. We're not doing very well with eating. It's alright. We might set up a garden next episode. Yeah, next episode we'll start gardening. Right. So, oh, that cook stuff first. Duh. Adds enough torches. Then we'll head back to that cave. There you go. Safety. Alright, one more. That's fine. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope to start this Minecraft series off strong. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like.